Welcome back, everybody. Brighten up sunshine. Every day is a new beginning. So, today we're going to explore 10 small changes that can have a big impact on your financial future. Building wealth does not have to be overwhelming. These steps are going to be straightforward, but guess what? They're going to make a difference, whether you're starting off small or whether you're looking to just take a few tweaks here and there. There's something here for everyone. Are you ready? Let's get started. One of the simplest ways to save money is dedicate one day a week as a no-spend day. No takeout, no shopping, just a day to focus on enjoying what you've already got. This small change can save you money and help you break unnecessary spending habits. So go ahead and challenge yourself to stick to it weekly and watch your savings add up. And we're on to small change number 2. Pay off the smallest debt first. When it comes to paying down debt, go ahead and start with the smallest one. The momentum from paying off a balance, no matter how small it is, will build motivation to tackle larger debts. This approach is called the debt snowball method, and it has helped people eliminate debt faster than anyone thought was possible. Every time you clear a balance, it's a win. Celebrate, and it brings you closer to financial freedom. Small change, number 3. Okay, this one is you want to automate your savings. Make savings effortless by setting up an automatic transfer to your savings account. Pick an amount, even if it's small, schedule it to move to savings each and every month or week. This way, you're consistently building wealth without even thinking about it. Think of this as paying yourself first because it's the foundation of wealth building. And we're on to small change number 4. Create a simple budget. Basic budget spreadsheets with categories for income, expenses, and savings are a good place to start. Budgeting does not have to be complicated. Start with a simple budget that lists your income, fixed expenses, and savings goals. A clear budget gives you control over your money and helps you see where you can actually cut back. Tracking your money is the first step in controlling it. It's like a roadmap for your financial success. And we're on to small change number 5. Invest in yourself. Think about this. Building wealth is not just about saving money. It's about increasing your earning potential. Make time to invest in yourself. Read personal finance books, take courses, and develop skills that actually boost your income. The return on this investment can be incredible. The more you know, the more you can grow financially. And we're already on to small change number 6, which is buy in bulk and meal plan. Now, groceries can be a huge expense, but buying in bulk and meal planning can cut your costs dramatically. Planning your meals will help you avoid takeout and food waste, and buying in bulk can save you money over time. Try planning meals around sales and using the leftovers creativity. Okay, small changes in grocery shopping can actually free up money for savings. So, there you go. That is small change number 6. Small change number 7, track your net worth monthly. Keep track of your net worth. It's powerful. It's a snapshot of your financial health, and it can motivate you. You don't have to update it every day, but checking it monthly will help you to stay focused on the bigger picture. Watch your net worth grow over time. It's a rewarding reminder of how far you've actually come. And small change number 8 is all about decluttering and selling unused items. Many of you have unused items that are just collecting dust. Take some time to declutter and sell those items online if you need to, or a yard sale. Not only can this put extra cash in your pocket, but it also will create a more organized and peaceful living space. Turning clutter into cash is a win-win for your wallet and for your home and for your peace of mind. And number 9, set up a financial emergency fund. An emergency fund is essential for financial stability. Start by aiming for 1 month's worth of expenses, then build up from there. This fund can be a lifesaver in unexpected situations, helping you avoid high interest debt. Even small deposits will add up. An emergency fund is a financial cushion that will bring you some peace of mind. Congratulations, guys, if you've made it here to small change number 10. So if you have, comment below small change number 10. Very few will make it so far. Surround yourself with positive financial influences. Okay, one of the best ways to actually stay motivated on your wealth building journey is to surround yourself with positive financial influencers. Listen to podcasts, read finance books, or join online communities because this can encourage healthy financial habits. Positive influence keep you motivated, inspired, and you stay on track. Remember, who you surround yourself with will matter. If you made it this far, you deserve to have an extra bonus tip. Practice gratitude for your financial journey. So the bonus tip that makes a big difference is practice gratitude for your financial journey. Acknowledge the steps that you're actually taking, no matter how small they are. And this will help you stay motivated and positive. Building wealth is a journey, and celebrating small victories along the way keeps you going. You're already on your way to a brighter financial future. There you have it, guys. 10 small changes that can make such a huge difference. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, at least for the cute artwork, and subscribe for more advice on building wealth, financial independence, and just fun. As always, thank you for your support. If you want me to cover a topic, let me know. Otherwise, a new video should be popping up, and I will see you in that one or another video on this channel. Remember, the sun always rises. Keep shining.